Hi, welcome to Elements in Focus. My name is Grant Soliven.
And I'm Aaron Rheaume, Director of Financial Planning, and I actually have the pleasure of working with Grant today.
Indeed. Pleasure or nightmare. We still haven't figured it out quite yet. But anyway, love to have you guys on board. Elements in Focus purely is designed to help you look at some of our critical elements in planning. There are 5 of them for us. They're on this slide right here. Your life after work, tax planning, investment playbook, risk management, essentially the good, bad, and ugly of life, and legacy. These are the areas that Aaron and I cover in our time together, and we get really specific into some of these categories. Now, we're only talking for 3 to 5 minutes, and so we try to give you as much to think about in that period of time as we can. Now, we're going to talk about investment playbook today, Aaron, the phase of finance. Some people ask us, well, Grant, Aaron, why didn't you go through the investments or how you're buying things or the economy? Guys, that's for our market Carver.
Yes.
That comes out every Thursday at 11:04, and either our Chief Investment Officer, Adam Harder, our Managing Partner, Joe Clark, are running that show. There's a lot of great content in there, so please don't forget to look at that or sign up for it. But for us, Investment Playbook, Aaron, phase of finance, what are we talking about?
We want to know where you're at in life, and it's not age-based. So when we look at the phase of finance, Grant, we're looking at really 3 topic areas. We're looking at what's called accumulation, preservation, and distribution. And if you can think of a plane ride, this is the analogy that we give. Accumulation is the takeoff, preservation is the 30,000-foot flight, and distribution is landing the plane. And in each one of those areas, you should be doing something a little bit different.
100%.
So, Grant, tell me what you would do in accumulation. What
100%.
are the 2 most important things there?
So as we're getting full throttle and getting this puppy off the ground, you're really looking at 2 key areas, Aaron. This is what we tell our families. It's not chasing return. So I want you to wipe that from your mind, right? It's not picking the exact investments to get the best return. It's really setting aside the right percentage of your income early on. Probably the 9th wonder in the world is compound return, right? Compound interest is a huge, huge benefit to you. So putting the right percentage of income away is powerful, and making sure you do it tax diversified. That's where accumulation really wins for a lot of our families.
Saving the right percentage and building tax diversification, which we can teach later. So in preservation, in that 30,000-foot view of the flight, what are we trying to accomplish there, and what matters?
You're protecting the nest egg, Aaron.
Okay.
Protect the baby you've built. So what matters more than what's going in is really protecting it from getting punished.
Right. So what you're saving, or what you have been saving, doesn't matter as much as what you've built up, is what I've heard you say.
100%.
And that's where we're trying to preserve that. That is the only time where average return matters, because you have to be there beginning, middle, and end. And then lastly, we get into the distribution phase, or landing the plane. Grant, what's important there? And
so this is where you got to remember, you can't be on autopilot, guys. A lot of times families will look at Aaron and I and will say, oh, well, we've made it to preservation. Aaron, I'm going to pull out 5.4%. I know my tax bill. It's going to be great. This is how we're going to do it. You're going to get me 10% return. We're all fine. Well, it doesn't work that way. And if it did, you wouldn't need us. This is a very complex area, and where our firm specializes, because most of the industry does not. And Aaron, here's where it is. Taking out the right dollar amount, tax efficient, and then making sure you can put controlling points between volatility. And folks, that is so important. That is so important. It is not like saving money. It's not like preserving money. It's a completely different machine.
Yeah, that is where we teach people on the tax focus. That's the only time the effective tax rate matters, because we want to know the average tax dollar that you're paying on those distributions. And as Grant so well put it, is you have to manage volatility between those distribution points. Because if you take a dollar out when the market's down, it's a dollar that doesn't get a chance to ever grow back up.
Correct.
So good job, Grant.
No, thank you, Aaron. And so when we're looking at phases of finance, really it's important to understand which phase you're in. And like Aaron beautifully put it earlier, it's not age dependent. And so when you're looking at trying to figure out what phase of finance you're in, if you have questions, please reach out to our team, 800-928-4001, or you can find us at yourlifeafterwork.com. We'd be more than happy to sit down with you and have a discussion about your situation. If you want to dive deeper into some of these topics that Aaron and I are kind of just even scratching the surface on, please check our radio show. Consider this program. You can find it on any of these radio stations, and more importantly, some of the podcasting servers that are out there, we are available on as well. So thank you for being with us today. Hope you enjoyed the content. Look forward to seeing you soon.